Hello everybody, thank you for tuning into this video. This is an unboxing video of DGT's limited edition 3000, DGT3000 chess clock. The DGT3000 was released 25 years ago, and so DGT decided to make this limited edition chess clock. I've seen it online in a few places. In Australian dollars, I've seen some retail for about 120, 130 Australian dollars. On Amazon, I was able to find it for 103, but there is a seller on eBay selling it for 99 Australian dollars, including shipping. So obviously I went for the cheapest option. I was very impressed with the packaging. As you can see, it comes in with airbags, so that the actual clock doesn't move around, even though they probably didn't have to include this, they did. And as you can see, the box is in immaculate condition. The chess clock is absolutely sealed. It's a very nice box, sleek box. If you were to give this as a gift, it looks amazing. And again, completely sealed. Here I am cracking it open. And as you'll be able to see, I got a little bit afraid when I opened it and pulled the chess clock out, because there was a bit of blackness on the screen. I haven't looked into that. I don't know why that was, but I just rubbed it off with my finger and everything seemed to be okay. So this is it here. I'm not sure what causes this. If you know, maybe leave it in the comments. I'm not too worried about it. As soon as I put the batteries and turned it on, everything was absolutely okay. So it comes in a little with a bubble wrap. It's just the chess timer, the manual with the instructions and whatnot, and two AA batteries. Very pleased to see that the clock came included with the batteries. Would have been a bit frustrated if it wasn't, but that's obviously a plus. Very extensive manual. I think it comes in 6 languages. I haven't read through it or anything like that. I plan to use the clock not very often, but with just for very basic time controls. Very, very easy to set up. All obviously you have to do, pull it out of the bag, unpack the batteries, and then there's a compartment at the bottom of the chess clock for the batteries. You don't need any sort of screwdrivers or anything of the sort. It's just push and it comes right open. And yeah, just plugging the batteries in here and it turns on immediately. You don't even have to push the power button on there. I turned it around and there you have it. So it does come set for Blitz, 5-minute games, which was nice. And here we're about to see a close-up. Everything was super smooth. Touching you don't get a very loud clicking noise, which is nice. Obviously, when you hit it a little bit harder, when you get to those last few seconds of a game, you will make a clicking noise. But here's a close-up. I love the contrast between the wood grain and the actual levers, the black levers. It is to be noted that this is all still plastic. It is a wood grain finish, but the clock is still plastic. I don't think DGT will be making a wooden chess clock. I don't think there's that much interest in it, but I'll definitely be interested in seeing one myself. Then you could see the little plug-in to plug in your DGT e-board if you have one. Then you'd be able to see the time from the clock also on your monitor. But it is to be noted that this is not included in the box. That is a product that DGT sells separately. Here are a few photos of other DGT clocks. As you can see, these are just basic colors, pastel colors, plastic, nothing really special, no wood grain finish or anything of the sort. So this DGT3000 limited edition chess clock is something that if you're considering buying and keeping for a long time, I think, or giving as a gift, I think you should definitely go for it. This is something that's going to stay with me for a while. I don't plan on letting this go unless obviously it rises in price, in which case I might consider letting it go to a collector or something like that. I don't have any sort of affiliation with the eBay account that I bought this from, but I'm going to give them a shout out because they shipped this item in 2 days. I bought it on the 9th of June and I got it on the 11th of June, which was very surprising. On eBay, I think it's just to keep them safe. It noted that it would have been delivered on the 11th of July. So obviously I got it way before that. And their name is Chess Games Shop. ChessGamesShop. Chess Games Shop on eBay. I bought it again for 99 Australian dollars. I think it was about 68 or 70, something like that, American dollars. And yeah, if you're thinking about getting this and you're a chess enthusiast, you're going to use it often, or even if you're not, it's a great clock. I can't wait to use it myself. And if you've got any questions, please feel free to ask them in the comments. I've also bought a chess set from House of Staunton. I will be doing an unboxing video of that very shortly. I'm expecting it to come early next week. So please subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting more chess content and obviously the unboxing of the House of Staunton chess set as well. Thank you very much for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.